Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today let's just try out to make this simple exercise inside Onshape. So let's just make this part. Open the Onshape, create a sketch, choose this top surface, make it normal to you, and I'll just start sketching like from the origin like this, come downward, and then it's make it a horizontal and like this, and finally close the sketch. Now I want to make some constraints, make it horizontal and make this line vertical. Go for the smart dimensions and assign the basic dimensions. This becomes 115, and from here till here this becomes 60, and this becomes 12, and from here till here it becomes 20. Now the sketch is defined. I'll just click OK. Just rotate your object by press the right click, and I'll just go for the extrude. Define extrude distance 12. Hit enter and I will say OK. Right click on the screen and say isometric. Again I will go for sketch and will draw a wall on this top surface and make it normal. Go for a corner rectangle starting from somewhere here, close it somewhere here, and I will say OK. Again go for extrude, select the region, and this time you need to define the height of 48. Define 48 and I will hit OK. And right now I'll keep it the isometric. See, again I will select this face, go for sketch and make it normal. I'll go for a corner rectangle starting from somewhere here like this, and I will just go for smart dimension. This side becomes 50 and this side becomes 20, and I will just hit OK. I go for extrude, select the region and define 48, and I'll click on right click and just edit this and define 48, and I'll hit OK. Now I'll go for fillet and define the fillet radius 25 and choose this edge and this edge, and I'll hit OK. Now finally I'll go for a sketch on this surface and I'll just show constraint on, and now I'll just draw a circle and I'll go for dimension this 25 and I'll hit OK. I'll go for extrude and make sure to flip the direction and remove the material. See, now you have done. Keep it isometric. And now you have done. You can hide the planes, right, and now you have done with the part. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to the channel.